Welcome to Innovision, where we explore the cutting edge of tomorrow's technology today. In this video, we're diving into urban farming that's reshaping our future. Let's jump into today's 10 cool exploration. #1 Vertical farms. Skyscrapers growing food. Vertical farms stack crops in tall buildings. They maximize space and reduce transportation costs. Number 2, AI-powered farming. Robots growing our food. AI optimizes plant growth by monitoring data. AI adjusts lighting, water, and nutrients in real time. Number 3, hydroponic skyscrapers. No soil, just water. Hydroponic farms grow plants in nutrient-rich water. These use 90% less water than traditional farms. #4 Aeroponics. Plants growing in mid-air. Roots are misted with nutrients instead of being in soil. This method reduces water usage and speeds up growth. Number 5, AI-driven crop selection. Smart farming decisions. AI analyzes plant genetics for optimal yield. AI selects the best crops based on environmental conditions. #6 Underground farming. Farming beneath cities. Subterranean farms use artificial lighting and hydroponics. These repurpose old tunnels and basements. #7 Floating farms. Growing food on water. Farms can be built on floating platforms. Useful for flood-prone or space-limited cities. #8 3D printed food. Printing meals from plant proteins. 3D food printers use plant-based materials. This technology reduces food waste and enhances nutrition. 9 Smart greenhouses. Self-sustaining glass farms. AI monitors and controls greenhouse conditions. Increases efficiency while reducing human labor. #10 Solar-powered farms. Sun-powered food production. Farms use solar panels to power their operations. Reduces reliance on fossil fuels. And that's our glimpse into the future of urban farming for today. If you found this interesting, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is Innovision, where we're always looking ahead to what's next in technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.